In the last class, we had done things about time period, like what is time period. I had told that time period is the number or it is a time in which the vibration is completing, means one vibration is completing. So time period is that time during which is taken by the vibration to complete one vibration. So in that time only one vibration is completed. That's called as time period. Then also I have told regarding that the relationship that exists between the time period and frequency, because frequency and time period are interrelated. That means what? So we can say that time period is inverse of frequency, or frequency is inverse of time period. I also told you how to get that relationship between time period and frequency, and that can also come in the exams. So this lecture we are starting. I had told that I will be taking up the investigation. It is the 7th chapter I am teaching you, and on that 7th chapter it is the 6th lecture. So in this one we will be dealing about investigation of that 7.1. I had given a brief introduction about this also in the previous lecture only. That here we are using some source of sound and then a surface on which reflection is possible. So then we are using the process of the reflection of sound. So let us take up that only. Investigation So let's draw a diagram for it first. See here, a lot of things are there. I'll be elaborating all of them. The box kind of a thing, what they called as chocolate box, and then when there is an opening kind of a thing. They have mentioned some angle here. This is 45 degrees. Then inside here some structure they have put. See, I had told also that in the concert halls or sometimes meeting halls, they are using some arrangements or some materials so that the sounds echoing or acoustics can be proper, so that same sound is not heard again and again and all these things. So here also they have put accordingly. It is not just a chocolate box. They have put inside this chocolate box what they have put? Cotton wool. So let me put that name also. It is called as cotton wool. Cotton wool. And outside this is the chocolate box. This is the chocolate box there, and this is the lid. I hope by using this only means by the labeling of this diagram you know that what all materials are involved here. So one thing obviously is the chocolate box, and other is cotton wool. Then one more thing is there, which is called as the stopwatch. Now it is a wristwatch, mechanical wristwatch. So there is a mechanical wristwatch. Okay, this mechanical wristwatch. They have not named it. Okay, so mechanical wristwatch. These are the things. Let's see what they are telling in the investigation. Take a chocolate box which is made up of metal and has a detachable lid. That means not the one with, not those ones in which they are having some joint kind of a thing. That lid should be detachable one. Then line the walls and base of the box with cotton. That means see this wall you have not put, it should have been put there. So line the wall, that means you have to put inside there cotton. Why? Because the walls and this metal should not be absorbing the sound that is produced. So whatever sound is produced should not be absorbed by the metal itself, but it should be basically transferred. That means reflection we have to absorb. So internal damping should not be there. Sound should not be getting absorbed by the walls and this. So that's why there is cotton put here. Place a mechanical wristwatch on the base of the box and try to hear its ticking. That means you have to hear where? Somewhere you also have to be there. Some person should be here. It will look like some dangerous person. Having ears, how will hear? Head only will drop. Now see here, you will try to hear, and you may not be able to hear ticking. So first time when you are trying to hear, you cannot hear it. Now place the metal lid on the side and gradually raise it as it's shown. So now you have to place the metal lid and raise it. Raise it like this, so that it's making a 45 degree. Okay. If you remember the periscope that we had done in the chapter of periscope experiment part that we had done, so you'll be very much able to correlate this. So if there is, so here what? You have to keep the lid at an angle of 45 degrees from the horizontal. So if that lid is at this position at 45 degree, then now you try to hear it. Now place the metal lid on its side opening and gradually raise it as shown in figure. You will notice that at some point you will be able to hear the clock clearly. That means when you are keeping the lid in this position, you will be able to hear the clock properly. So let's draw the diagram for it. There will be vertical one. Okay, this is also 45. So it will be going to the person here only. So should have drawn the person little bit bottom only. Bottom. Face can down anywhere. Okay, so here it will be 45, and see, always a normal is drawn. Okay, so this way you will draw, and you will draw this arrow here, incident and the reflected one. So basically this is the incident sound, this which is moving here. They have not named it, but if I name it like this OA is the incident sound. Incident sound, that means the sound that is produced here from the watch. And AB is the reflected sound. This what I have drawn is the normal. This is the normal on the surface, because this lid is the lid. I have drawn already written lid. Lid is basically the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. So lid is a reflecting surface. So that's reflecting surface. That's why we need to draw a normal always on it. So normal we have drawn, and see that through that normal the reflection is done. So now they're giving the explanation for it. See, when the metal is making an angle of 45 degree with the side of the box, the sound which starts from the wrist watch strikes the metal at 45 degree. So on 45 degree, now angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. There is a law of reflection. For that is true for sound also. So then it will strike at what? 90 degree to the ear. On striking the hard surface of the lid, it bounces off at an angle of 45 degree, hence reaches our ear. Now this is called as reflection of sound. Nothing. This you can correlate easily because already you have done something like this in the reflection of light. You remember periscope? Two glasses are kept there, and these glasses are made to. They are kept parallel to each other, and the sound or not sound, the ray of light strikes, and then it is again re-reflected. If you remember, we had done it under the heading light ray waves can be re-reflected again. Okay, so that re-reflection part is there here. So that is re-reflected only. So, but here they are not re-reflected. It is reflection which takes place only once only. So here the person is initially when the light rays, when you are keeping the clock like that only, you are not able to hear the sound. But once you are keeping the lid of the chocolate box at a particular angle, as they have shown, so at that particular angle when you keep, then what happens? That means the lid should make an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal. So once the lid makes an angle of 45 degree from the horizontal, then what happens? Then the sound will strike at 45 degree, incoming sound, that is incident sound wave, and then it will strike the lid. Lid is basically the reflecting surface. So this is all labeling I have done, that you should do also. And then it will again, since angle of incidence and angle of reflection will equal, so reflection again at 45, so it will reach the ears. So you are able to hear. Now this sound you will be able to hear very clearly. Why this is so? Because sound waves can be reflected. Now this phenomena is called reflection of sound. You have seen that some precautions you have taken in that chocolate box. First thing is that the concept of chocolate box is that the chocolate box should have a detachable lid. The lid should be detachable. Then what is another point? Another point is that they have put cotton. They are laying the walls and the base of this lid, the base and the walls of the chocolate box with the help of what? Cotton wool. Now cotton wool will absorb. It will see that sound is not like metal is not absorbing the sound. Then watch they are keeping is a mechanical wristwatch. We have seen today these digital watches are coming. Okay, so digital watches, they are not making any sound is there. No, because there's a gear inside. So according to the gear element, system of gears is there. So that gear of system of gear, I'm not talking about that the power supply is through cell or not, but cell is there always, but there has to be mechanical support like that, so that mechanical sound is to be produced. So because digital watches are there, these watches don't produce sound, so there is a mechanical wristwatch. So that mechanical wristwatch should be there. That is basically a source of sound. So that source of sound is there. It is then initially we are not able to hear the sound. Then what happens? Once we are keeping the chocolate box at a particular angle, then the sound is produced. So and sound is produced in both the cases, but you can hear the sound basically. So that is the thing that we are telling to you. So now next article is sound insulation only. So see, sound insulation we have told, and we have used this cotton also. So it is moving step by step. So sound insulation basically absorption of sound, how you can absorb sound. And see, if you have seen my lectures somewhere around near the Children's Day part. So in that near the Children's Day procedure only, we had I had uploaded some videos. You could hear the sound. Or generally, these lectures I'm recording from my home, but lectures which we are getting from the school itself, there is so much echo issues. You have seen your sense of sound, your voice is echoing and all those things. So you can really correlate that if there are no articles in the room or the sound is not absorbed, then it will quite upon echo. it will be a lot of echoing issues will be there. That means the class is full, in the class students are there 40 or 50 and there are so many desks and benches, lot of things. So whatever things like bags, bottles, you people also, then these all what? These all absorb sound. That's why sound is sound will be absorbed there. So people are hearing like that. But if there are things like curtains, gunny bags, straws, carpets, these all are absorbing sound. So next article will be exclusively based on absorption of sound only. We'll be continuing the next class.